let's make the enemy UI. So let's go into the prefab, the player. We have the enemy health, and one way we can do this is just like simply duplicate this one, the player health, and call it enemy health level instead. And we can delete this one, and we can move it a bit out. And then we just need to swap around on the, like we have the circle here, we can put that over there instead, and we can take the health mana and put it over there. So that way we actually are pretty done with the enemy health UI. So that's one way to do it, or you can make it your own way, but this is the fastest way I think that is to like make it, and you can decide if it needs some other way to show it and stuff like that. And in the minimap we can add a little bit of stuff also. So let's make the minimap and do an image like this and make it fill it. Oh, whoops, make it fill, and we're gonna add a dark brown frame, and we'll add the big one here. So put it here and say this will be the mini map frame, and then we will add another image. I actually think we're gonna make it a child of this one, so an image here which will be the background. So let's make a background like this, and maybe I'm thinking about other type of background. Let's see what it have. Let's just take this one for now and scale it in a bit. So slide this. Go. And the frame will be, minimap will be in the air. And then we will add to the frame, we will add image more, which will be minus bottom. We're gonna set it in the corner, and we're gonna make it 15 times 15. And let's put it like here. Say that it's going to need a frame. It's gonna be a mini frame, so like that. And you're gonna need a background. Call it minus biggie, and let's go to assets, background, mini, do this one, and make it fill. Boom. Let's see that fit inside there, and let's make it a bit smaller, like that. And let's add another UI image and say minus icon. Go into this and find icon, simple. Let's see, that was a minus there. Let's start making it small and put in the minus, like that. So that would be the minus, and then we take the minus button. Oh, let's actually add to the minus icon here. Let's add a button so you can click it, and let's just duplicate it. call it plus bottom, and move it around, put it here, and then you open up the plus. You can rename all of these to plus BG, next one plus icon, and in the plus icon we will put in the plus. That. So now we have like the standard of our UI elements. So let's see it in the game. So if it was me, and was my game, I would definitely make the minimap a lot smaller, and I will make this one smaller. Okay? In general, I will make everything a lot smaller. But you can make it as you want.